1.5 cup cooked white rice, mixed vegetables, bacon, chop your bacons, minced garlic, oil in the pan, fry your garlic until they're golden brown. Add your white rice, stir fry it. Scoot your rice to the side, add your mixed vegetables, stir fry it for a couple minutes. Add some salt, black pepper, thin soy sauce, just eyeball thin soy sauce. Stir fry your rice, make sure they're evenly coated. Some sugar, stir fry the rice again. Fish sauce, just eyeball it and give it some taste. You want to stir fry your rice again. Scoot your rice to the side. Crack in 2 eggs. Let your egg sit in there for about 1.5 minutes. Now you want to break the egg yolks. Let it sit for another minute or so. Now you want to break the eggs. Just break it into like bite-sized pieces. You want to mix your fried rice together with your eggs, stir fry it. Add your bacon, stir fry the fried rice. Mix it all well. Add your scallions at the end. There you go. Bacon fried rice. Really easy, nice and simple.